How to apply for Newsbreak monetization. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to become a Newsbreak contributor and monetize your content in 2025, here's what you need to do. First of all, you need to go ahead and check if you're eligible. Make sure that you meet the requirements. For writers, you need to have at least 10 articles published that follow the Newsbreak's rules, community standards, and contributor content requirements as well. You also have to have at least 100 registered followers, which are the people with the Newsbreak accounts, and they need to live in the United States. And for video creators, you have to have at least 3,000 followers, and you should have reached 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And you must have posted at least 3 videos in the last 30 days and comply with the Newsbreak's community standards and terms of use. And you also need to be at least 18 years of old. So in order to apply for monetization, if you meet the writer requirements, you need to go ahead and log in to the Newsbreak contributor portal first. Then after, you need to set up a Tipalti account. Newsbreak uses Tipalti to pay contributors. So submit your monetization application through the contributor portal. Wait for approval. It can take up to 30 days. And talking about video creators, the eligible video creators are paid based on how many views they get and the value of the ads shown in their video. So focus on local news. Newsbreak likes stories that are important to local communities and talk to your audience, respond to the comments and feedback to build a strong following. And also publish high quality content, which can often help people find you and follow you. And make sure that your content follows the Newsbreak's contributor terms and community standards. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.